Now it is. Yep.
Yeah.
Fuck. Oh, Blue.
Do you want me to get up and hold it?
Yes, please. Wait, a lot easier.
Chloe, don't go yet.
Hang on. Cheers. I love it. Can you hold that as well? Let him eat. It's easier on the floor. Right. Let him eat, but like... Right, go on then. This is massive, yeah?
Chloe, that was massive.
Jesus!
Yeah, do it again.
Jesus Christ! I like kneel down. Shit, Chloe. Oh my god. Again or no?
Chloe, get him to stand on it and then take a picture of how wide it is and stuff.
Do you reckon he'll stand on it?
No, get a picture.
Look how wide that is. Hang on, I'm going to lie on it. Hang on.
Hannah, everyone else is waiting and now we're going to get out to it. No, get a picture of that.
It's big. It is big.
But what's the date? I'll put this on Facebook.
Yeah. No, don't, because I'm swearing in it.